so beautiful, she is strong.
Hi guys, Jelaine here. Welcome to my channel. During the quarantine, I've definitely let myself go. I'm actually a little embarrassed to admit it, but as a working mom and someone who is also in school, have been so preoccupied with everything else that I put my self-care at the bottom of all lists. However, I decided I've got to change that. If I don't take care of me, then who will? So I'll be giving myself some much needed TLC from head to toe. If you can relate or is just someone who has put yourself on the back burner for far too long, it's time to intentionally love and appreciate you. Hope you'll get some motivation to just love on yourself a little bit more. Enjoy! So I'm starting off with my nails. Guys, please don't walk around your house with your nails looking like this. It's just awful. I mean, in between watching TV or going on social media, or if you have kids when the kids are sleeping, we should be able to find some time to get our nails together.
If you're not agree, you can walk away, you can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect. 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 Cause I don't know why they change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think ain't nobody perfect.
Next, I'm on to my feet. Don't say a word. I know. Now you understand why this self-care was a necessity.
Ain't nobody perfect. Ain't nobody perfect. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
Moving on to my legs. I made my own sugar walks. Let me know if you are interested in seeing a video of how I made it with 3 simple ingredients.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, cause I know.
This is the finished look for my legs and toes. I actually cut myself with a foot file. It's extremely sharp. I will definitely use it again, but will need to be more cautious next time. As you can see, I take a minimalistic approach to my self-care routine due to limited time. I'm not adding any nail polish, but I'll use a vitamin E oil to keep my legs and toes moisturized. I'm on to my most favorite thing to do in my self-care routine, and that is to cleanse and moisturize my face. I'll apply the scrub and then take a shower. Then I'll show you guys my face moisturizing routine. So I just had a bath, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm feeling so great and relaxed right now. In my face moisturizing routine, I like to start by moisturizing my lips. I'm using this Burt's Bees natural lip gloss. The color is Pucker, and I can definitely taste the castor oil. My lips are feeling so soft and amazing. Next, I'll use this rose water toner to hydrate and revitalize my skin. Sometimes my skin can get really dry, especially after cleansing, so I'm using this vitamin E oil to help moisturize and soothe my face.
Superstar from your head to your toe. Welcome to Majesty, dressed in your royalty. Welcome to Majesty, you are the queen from the air. Welcome to Majesty.
Check out my fingers, guys. Such a huge difference from when we started this video. I had washed my hair and did a DIY avocado deep conditioner treatment. My hair is feeling extra soft and smooth. If you are interested in seeing a video on how I did that, let me know in the comments. So the kids are sleeping, and right before bed, I'm gonna just take a few minutes to unwind with one of the books I've been wanting to read forever. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share with your friends. Be sure to take some time to care for yourself. See you next time.